Hello friends, welcome to Creative Medicine. In this lecture, we will learn about
So, recommended transport medium for stool specimen containing enteric pathogens is for stool specimen we use buffered glycerol saline medium. Then even we can also use one more stool specimen is VR medium Venkatraman Ramakrishnan medium can be used if Vibrio is suspected. Buffered glycerol saline is used if Shigella or Salmonella is suspected. Then we can use this buffered glycerol saline medium. Thank you.
thank you and thank you for watching.